Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I wanted to go over the current royalty rate for Spotify, how much Spotify pays per stream as of October 2021. On this video, we're gonna be going over my music report showing you how much Spotify paid me, and we're gonna break down the exact royalty rate they're currently paying out for the amount of streams I earned. So if we hop straight into it, you will see on October 2nd, I got sales posted for $184, right? And those sales came from a number of stores, but the main store it came from was Spotify. And you can see that these Spotify sales were from July, right? We're currently in October, but the Spotify sales came from July. If you know anything about music streaming, your royalties come 2 to 3 months after they're generated. So we got streams in July, they're just now getting paid out in October for Spotify. If we stroll down, you'll see all of the different countries I got Spotify streams in, right? And on this account specifically, I was focusing on US targeted streams, right? So you see all of the other countries and it's not that many streams. That's because at the bottom, right, the main streams came from the United States, right? $166.95 from the United States, July 2021 sales. Now, if we go in a little further, you will see that for $166, I got 38,000 streams. Now, to figure out the Spotify royalty rate, all you have to do is take the amount of money you earn and divide it by the amount of streams you got. So we pull up the calculator, we type in how much we earn, and we divide that by the total amount of streams. You will see Spotify current royalty rate is 0.004, right? 0.004. So per stream, that's 0.004. Per 1,000 streams, that's $4, right? So Spotify is paying out $4 per 1,000 streams. If y'all have any questions about Spotify music promotion, y'all can visit my website. I have a link in the description. I'll help you promote your Spotify music to help you get more streams. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.